Boom! Literally boom. AMD, huge, massive short squeeze here on the possibility of a rumor with news that Tesla and AMD are working together. Something going on there. I don't know what the whole story is. I'm looking into it right now, but you can see AMD jumping up in their last 10 minutes right before market close, exploding from the $13 area up there to $13.85 right now. This thing is insane. AMD just out of nowhere. Literally, look at that. Big spike. This is the 5-minute candle. Got 21 million shares traded within the last 5 minutes. It's still going higher after hours. We're getting a lot of action after hours, which is pretty unusual for the stock. But you can see AMD, it's flying higher. I'm looking into the news right now. What's going on here with AMD? It was released 13 minutes ago. It looks like Tesla is working with AMD to develop its own AI chip for self-driving cars. Tesla is working with AMD to refine its new chip, which will likely reduce its reliance on NVDA. Ooh, NVIDIA is about to get killed here. Tesla has more than 50 employees involved with the project, including chip star Jim Keller. I don't really care about that news, but you can see some of the news here really popping off here. AMD and Tesla. It looks like there's some real news here. Real pump behind this move. So AMD up there to $13.85. Now taking a look at NVIDIA. Where's NVIDIA at? I think NVIDIA is taking a little bit of a dive here. Not much, actually. So I thought NVIDIA would be down a lot more than it is, but it's still holding there at the 185 area. So you can see NVIDIA up there to 189 this morning. So crazy move overall. Just NVIDIA, love this stock. But you can see recently breaking above that 190 area, up there at 191. But AMD, what is going on right now? I'm still looking into this. AMD, Tesla, what's the deal? If it's really that big of a deal or not. You can see AMD kind of all over the place. It's just like constantly up, down, down, up, down. But overall, I mean, look at this chart. It's just not that pretty. It's just kind of choppy all over the place. Not a clear trend either way. Getting in bed with Tesla. Maybe Tesla and AMD will have a future here. AI is definitely the future in technology, and AMD needs to be there at the forefront if they want to compete with NVIDIA, which NVIDIA is just killing them right now. So AMD, Tesla, well, what's going on? So after hours now, we're doing a little bit of pullback down this 1370 area. We'll see what happens tomorrow. See if the news really gets kind of moved along tomorrow morning. Might get a big move in AMD. Keep an eye out on AMD. See what's happening with Tesla and AMD. I'm sure overnight more and more news will get out about the Tesla and AMD deal, but you saw it here first. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We're talking about high momentum stocks every single day. News, breaking news, stocks moving higher and looking for those big moves. So whatever's moving, we're looking at it. So keep an eye on AMD, Tesla tomorrow morning, seeing what happens here with this new rumor partnership deal. We don't really know the specifics yet, but that's enough to get a big short squeeze going here on AMD. So looking here, we'll see where we're at. So AMD kind of bouncing 1370 right now. We'll see if this wants to go above $14 tomorrow morning. I'll see you guys then.